Hey everybody, welcome back. Got another little haul video for you to enjoy. There's my, excuse me, it's the case I put on my phone because I had to send the other one back. They sent it to me twice and they got it wrong both times. And I have to just refund my money. I'll find it somewhere else. So that is what is in here. So let me show you. Let me throw that away now. Here's the first one. This one's gorgeous because I couldn't find the one that I really wanted, like the one I showed you, the one I got with the pink, whatever. So this one is like an iced case. Isn't that pretty? So I got this one. It's pink. It's so pretty. It's like a pink marble. It's like really pretty. So I got that one. And then I got, so excited. I am excited. And here's the thing that you can put, you can hook through it. There's little doodads right here. See the little things you can feed it through so you can carry your phone, which I'll probably do with this one. I'll probably do that with this one. And then this, I think, yeah, goes down and covers it. So pretty. I'm excited that I can put this on. So I can take this one off. I've already dropped it like 3 times. And if I drop it with this on there, it's gonna, let's see, I'll show you. Let me take this one off. I can get it off. Let me see. They're usually pretty easy to get off. Except for today when I want to get it off quick. Here we go. Okay, so I'll save that one. This is the one I got from Kimmy Lux Dolls. I need to get another one because it's coming apart. So I'll have to order another one. And I want to show you what this looks like. There's my phone. It's just an Apple phone. There. So pretty. I'm excited. So anyway, I'll put this on later. And my Family Dollar was having a sale. Now I'm on that weight loss thing, so I'm trying to find, I'm not really trying to buy clothes right now, but I can't find half my clothes. I must have cleaned out my closet and got rid of a ton of stuff. Well, this was only $3, and it's long, so I can wear leggings or shorts with it, and it's not heavy. It's 3/4 length sleeves, so on a cool day or until, I mean, it's hot right now. Last couple of days have been 80s, but it'll cool down again, and I can wear that. I did buy another one too the other day, and I think this one's different. I think it's a V-neck. What I pay for this one? I paid full price for this one, but the bottom of it's different. It's that, so I don't know why I get white. I hate to be hot. And then I got this one today, and this has a little strap, and I do believe that this one is a extra large, and this one was $3 too. The one I got the other day is a 1X because I want it to hang lower, and this one is a extra large, so I'm in between. And then I also like to wear, I get self-conscious now with my arms with tank tops, so I have a few of these like kimono type deal things. Here, I'll put it on so you can see. Let me see. And it covers, the tag's still hooked to it, so, and it covers it, you know, it's loose enough that it covers you and you're not so hot, you know, you're not so hot. So there is my little haul for clothes and my phone cases. I just wanted to share with you. And I've got several other hauls, but this is more beauty kind of related, you know, clothes and cute accessories and stuff. So the other stuff is like craft and the organizational stuff. So that's coming. I have another video for that. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. And make sure you subscribe, say hi, comment, share the video, and don't forget to check out the 200 subscriber giveaway. And we will see you all again soon. Bye now.